Hey guys, Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. Got Noah with me on this house in St. Peters, Missouri. We've got just the driveway, little landing pad off the front door, little step back here where the trash cans go, but it's pretty nasty. It's just pre-treated it, letting that marinate for a second, and then we're going to take the surface cleaner and see if we can't make this thing look a lot better. So I will send you the pictures on the other side. Huge difference. Loving this. How dirty it was just by the edges, so we have to get with the pressure wash wand.